Hi, can I please order a long black? For all of you coffee aficionados out there, the Workshop Brothers Specialty Coffee is bringing the finest in specialty coffee to you. Now the team here pride themselves on their house blend, the Huntley blend. Now what they have done is brought two single origins together to bring forth a very fruity based coffee. Now as you see them working their magic in the barista kitchen, you know that you are in for a fine coffee. Now what better way to enjoy a delicious coffee than with a pastry? This is the perfect snack to get you through your workday or the perfect way to start your morning. The team is always busy here at Workshop Brothers Specialty Coffee making that sexy coffee for you. Come and try it for yourself. Bring your Big Review TV out and let us know what you think.